That's why you think I'm trying to get rid of that car too?
Yeah.
I'm so through with him.
Listen at Max.
Get him, Max. Get him. Pick him. Go get him, Dusty.
You know what? And that boy is pointing a gun at Max. I guess all dogs know what a gun looks like, huh?
Daddy knew he was going crazy.
He looks a puppy too.
Water gun out, shoot it. I was going pow pow. He was
Good Max. Acting up. Move, mama. Move, mama. Look at Max.
I guess when they had babies, they learn things.
I guess. Max, 8 weeks, 9 weeks old?
Dang, you not know the gunner?
I guess.
Where is he at?
On the Nancy chair, on that chair next to me. Look at him, acting up. Shut that door. Shut that door.